Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, August 19th, and this is my analysis for gold, and I'm on the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame, gold has actually been very slow for the last several days, going into last week. It looks like impulsive up, it looks like corrective down. It should lead to another impulsive up, and I think it's going to end up being a three-way pullback to potentially the downtrend for this wave 4 that we're potentially in, this wave C of wave 4. So keeping that in mind, let's take it all the way down to the 1 hour time frame and zoom out a little bit, because to me it definitely looks like a correction. It looks like a five wave structure to the upside, like a wave A. This looks like an A, B, C type pattern for like a wave B, and maybe it could drop down and grab liquidity. I'm not saying that the wave B is over. It could possibly drop down and grab some liquidity, but I think at some point either today or tomorrow, it's going to start a move to the upside, probably towards these highs for the wave C, potentially before it starts that much bigger move to the downside for that much bigger wave C on the daily time frame. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.